Brought 2 different types of luggage on semester at sea.
Powder sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso?
So strange.
Did I just cut anything? That's a lot of syrup.
So this is what the French toast looks like on ship. Violation. Also, there's only 4 days left on the voyage and I have to use up my maple syrup because I'm not bringing this home. Going through my travel journal.
It's so cute.
Who do you think I should ask to sign it from the crew?
Jeffrey.
I feel like Jeffrey.
Jeffrey.
Okay, I'll ask him at lunch.
Yeah, no, Jeffrey would be nice. Or Perry.
Perry's so cute.
Everyone
loves. Are they Ren's? Okay, but Ren's or Jeffrey's like my
We love Ren's. No,
this is my favorite travel journal ever, and I think it's like such a great gift to give to anyone.
No. Oh, was that night?
Yeah. Good morning! Today's lunch, I'm gonna give it like a 7 out of 10. This isn't my favorite. What?
It's more of like a 4 out of 10.
Yeah.
You don't think?
You can just
Girl,
tell.
that plate don't even look appetizing.
Okay, whatever.
It's a 7.
Ivan brought all of his spices. We've got salt and oils. I might need to borrow some. Happy Vlogmas 19 today, coming to you live from Lido. I took my global studies exam today, got a 97. The girls and I are eating lunch. Ready? What would we rate today's meal?
I'm gonna be honest with you. She's looking like a 2 out of 10.
Guys, I swear, after Vietnam, they kind of went downhill. Like, they know. Anyways, 4 days left on the voyage. We're all signing journals, doing whatnot. And I'm just trying to make the most out of every single last day. So, starting the days early. Tomorrow I'm gonna watch the sunrise. Anyways, that's that. Hello! I'm signing Michaela's map. Oh my gosh! I'm really sad that it's ending. Okay, so my favorite crew member is Jeffrey. He always brings me hot water and coffee without me even asking. So I asked him to sign this and he took the book. Oh my god, bless his heart. I'm obsessed with it.
I'm reading Brennan's letter for Caroline, and it's so sweet.
I'm waiting until the plane ride to read all of them, which is probably like the worst idea ever because I'm gonna be crying. But I refuse to read them right now or else I'm gonna be a mess. Like I said, there are 4 days left on semester at sea. Can't even believe it or wrap my head around it. It's 12:52 right now, so the day is already half over and I don't want to waste any of my days on semester at sea, so Nikki had the most amazing idea. Swimming later.
This is really good. He did so good.
I already know I'm gonna cry.
I'm crying and it's not even mine.
So yeah, I have my marketing exam at 3:40. I took global today. After that, we're gonna go swimming one last time. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of light makeup to kind of make myself feel awake. Yeah, I'm so excited. It's like a bittersweet feeling because obviously this whole voyage, you just make the most incredible memories and lifelong friends, hence this girly right here. Oh, I am ready to go back to real life. I cannot wait to get the ball rolling again, crank out some new content and videos back in Boise because, you know, that's where my life is. And I just really miss like all of the living alone content.
Your dog.
My dog, Matcha, obviously. So yeah, lots of things to look forward to. I do need to pack up my room, so I think today I am gonna do that. I have a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of, and there are these donation boxes right down the hallway at reception. Really glad that they have those there because I had no idea what I was gonna do with all this stuff. It was just gonna end up in the trash, which is really wasteful. So if I can donate it and someone can actually put good use to it, then I would feel a lot better. So anyways, enough of me talking. I'm gonna put on some little makeup really quick and then let's study for marketing. We migrated. We're in Nicole's room now.
Room tour, maybe not.
Nicole's gonna pack while I do my studying for marketing. And then when I am done with my marketing exam, she's gonna go to my room and I'm gonna pack. We're doing like a little switcheroo. But this is just a really sad day for every SAS member.
I'm just not ready.
Alright, we're in my room now.
Time to pack.
Let's begin this packing, you guys. Also, the water, it's kind of more bluish. Or no, it's kind of more green than usual.
It was super teal yesterday, like around the coast of Vietnam.
I don't really feel like we're moving that far, but it makes sense because Vietnam is not that far from Thailand. So, yeah. But anyways, let's freaking do this thing. Brought 2 different types of luggage on semester at sea. First one is this big suitcase from Costco, and then I brought my Walker Family Goods duffel bag, which is like my holy grail. Got this. And then here's the Walker Family Goods bag.
Oh, that's a cute bag.
Isn't it cute? And look, it has backpacking straps, so you can go backpacking with it.
Wait.
I would totally recommend it.
Wait.
It's from a local family in Idaho, their brand.
Oh my god, wait. This is,
You want the link? There's really cute colors too.
like, actually send it to me because
If you ever go on
can't
semester at
do
sea,
my trip. I love that it has the straps too. I haven't seen
Yeah.
a lot that have this.
divider things, so you can put them up.
Wait. This is nice.
Isn't it nice?
This is nice.
Shout out Nicole. I'm gonna be adding these in my yogurt bowl tomorrow. Goji berries. I have a bunch of packing cubes, but I don't know where I put them all. I think they're under my bed. These are a lifesaver. They make packing so much easier because you just airtight it all in there. First thing I'm gonna go through is all of this. I'm gonna pick out what I wanna donate, what I wanna keep, and then I'm gonna put it in the bins out front. All right, this is the keep pile. So far, this is the donate. And we still have this much left to do. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with my little shoe organizer, but I would totally recommend this if you're looking for a way to get storage, because this was very helpful. Feeding the baby! So I literally have all these leftover sticky notes that I never used.
There's so many.
Also, this is the donation bag for non-clothes. Got all my hangers so far. I think I'm gonna do laundry one last time because there's probably like one more cap full, and then I have my clothing line, which I actually do want to take home because I love this. I think it'll be good for camping. I never actually used much of this. Best floss ever. Go to Target and get this. Caroline? Dude, all my pads just fell. What do we think? What do we think?
I like them.
They look really good on you. Like very bougie.
Bougie vibes.
Bougie vibes. I really hope that somebody uses this in the donation box because it's so good. West Side.
Do these actually work? Or?
It's final exam time. What's up?
Oh my goodness.
Look at my closet.
Not the snacks.
There's only a little bit left. I'm about to take a marketing exam. Nervous off.
I highly recommend.
We just knocked on Amanda's door for like 10 minutes and she was in my room. I was going to her.
Yeah, it's a hurma, but I don't know if it's good.
Yummy? Hi guys, it's 2021, which in regular time is 8:21. This is the current situation of packing. These are the clothes I'm gonna wear for the next 3 days and then my hotel in Thailand. But right now, I think I'm going to go to either Terrace or the library and do some editing. Yeah, today was such a good day. I'm trying to spend my time with as many people as I can before we're off the ship and I won't see them anymore. But it is really weird seeing the room all empty. Like the walls are so bare and obviously like my closet has no clothes in it anymore. So bittersweet feeling, that's for sure. But I do have a lot of work to do and VLOGMAS isn't gonna edit itself. So let's go be productive. Mwah. I'm in my room.
Crackling wood all season, decorating a loneless Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose ends. Everywhere you go, it smells like peppermint. Another